So here's the first of hopefully a series of little training videos. So I've just turned everything on. So normal turn on process number 1, number 2. Give the desk a few seconds to start up and then you'll get this screen. And from here you need to choose who you're going to be. So we log in as the PA team. So you tap on that, tap on login and then enter their password. And click OK, like so. Then you end up with back on that blank startup screen. So the next thing we're going to do is choose the scene that we're going to use. That will correspond to the Sunday that we're on, which will hopefully be already preset with most of the band settings. So you press the scenes button here just below the screen, and that will give you the list of scenes that are available on the desk. So then you scroll up or down, find the one you want. So you can tap and scroll with your finger, or you can use a little rotary on the side here. But you find the one you want, you select it by tapping. You'll see the recall section here on the right. It says go. You tap that. That'll then recall that scene. You'll briefly see a little message at the top. The desk will change so that all the faders are now set up with that scene, and you're ready to start work with it. So we'll do that setup in the next video.